Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 813666. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a stress test to show the computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of the computer, for your case you chose the Raidmax Smilodon in silver. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a look inside and show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer's booted up, let's take a look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 550LC liquid cooling unit, cooling an AMD FX-4300 processor. And for your graphics card behind this bar, you selected the Nvidia Geforce GTX 760, which has been overclocked to max speed. This has all been installed on an ASUS M5A78L-MLX Plus motherboard. For extra fans, you selected two 120mm Cooler Master sickle flows, which have been installed on both sides of your radiator to keep your system at optimal temperatures. And for wireless, you selected a 300 megabits per second network adapter. For storage, you have a 1TB, 7200 RPM hard drive. We've given you Caviar Blue. And powering your system is a standard 700 watt power supply. Taking a look at the front of the computer, if you open this front door panel, you will see your power button, reset button, your fan controller. Now to control your fans, you're going to select manual, then pick the number of the fan you want to control, and then hit plus or minus to slow down or speed up the fan. The fans are numbered 1 through 5, 1 being the closest to the front, 5 being the closest to the back. Below that you have your DVD writer and your all-in-one card reader. And on the very bottom you have two USB 2.0 ports. Taking a look at the side panel, you had your gamertag Shadow Gaming airbrushed in Halo font blue and the Batman logo below. Taking a look at the back of the computer, starting from the top, you have two PS2 ports, your common serial, VGA, 4 USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that we have the antennas for your wireless. And below that we have the ports for your graphics card. Now unplugging your monitor, you're going to want to use these ports and not the ports on the motherboard. You have two DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. Looking at the system properties, you'll see your AMD FX-4300 processor with 8 GB of RAM, installed on Windows 8. Device Manager, you'll see your Nvidia Geforce GTX 760. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service@ironsidecomputers.com.